Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is believe. Believe in yourself. Believe that a change is coming. Believe that you're a new being. Believe that all the greatest things and things that you deserve are coming your way. You've been coming from a rough path. A lot of things have been fighting against you, but you've been fighting back. And I want you to believe breakthrough is on the way. I believe in myself, in the beauty of life, and the goodness of God. Thus, I have the power to fulfill my dreams. The will of the Almighty supports me. The reason that you have been fighting and not giving up, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ is on your side, and your breakthroughs are on the way, no matter what you've been going through. No matter what heartbreak you've been going through, your heart shall mend, your soul will shine, and everything will glow and be in the positive way that you always expected life to be. Loving, happiness, and it's going to be a transformation for you. My life is showered with divine light, and my heart opens to the power of the universe. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ is saying, please don't give up on me. Don't give up on yourself. Believe, 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 because that is the source of manifestations to blossom. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.